Use the OpenAPI CLI push command to push your API definitions and related metadata into Redocly's API registry. This is ideal when you cannot use one of Redocly's Git integrations. In this video, I'm using the OpenAPI CLI global install. This will work if you choose a different installation method with minor adjustments. To get started from your computer, log in. Generate an API key to complete your login. Give the key a name to help you remember where you are using it. Do not share your key. It's a secret. If you need, you can revoke the key. Copy and paste the key into your console. We'll go to the next step and find our organization ID. We find it when we are logged in on the app on any organization page inside of the URL path. Note, the organization ID may be different from the organization name, and this step requires the organization ID. In the final step, we push to Redocly. We use the -u argument to upsert, which means to update or insert if it doesn't exist. We identify the API to push by its alias, main, defined in the .redocly.yaml file. We put the @ sign followed by the organization ID, testing_acme, then a /. Now, we give the API a name, my API, followed by another @ sign, and we give it a version, 1.0.0. Finally, we give it a branch name. I call it main branch, but you can name it anything you want. Now, we push the API definition into the Redocly API registry. Let's look at the registry to see it there. I see my API. I select the version to go to the overview page. There are logs, and I can see my default branch is set to main branch. If you want to automate this from your CI, instead of using the login command, set the Redocly authorization environment variable with the value of your organization's API key. You're a moment away from creating reference docs. Or using your API registry definition link inside of your developer portal.